If you see this reading on 18th or 19th of February, this reading is for you. We have Two of Pentacles, confused, juggling between two tasks or confused between two people. There's a little chaos right now going on in your life, ups and downs in the relationship. It can be related to money as well. Queen of Pentacles. Keep your calm, be very positive, assertive, take care of the money. I feel, do not invest money unless you're very sure, or if you have to take advices from someone. Queen of Wands. You are someone who's very protective about your money. So maybe, you have invested money somewhere, and or you are going to invest your money somewhere, so maybe you're confused with that. Or maybe, juggling between two jobs. That is also one message I'm getting. So I feel this reading is, first half is of course about career. We have all the queen, so something to do with the female in your life. Emotions, someone who cares about you, someone who is very protective about you. They're very emotional about you. They can't, like, if if you are sad or if anything happens to you, they also have the same emotions. They feel bad for you. They are very caring. They love you a lot. Five of Cups. See, you feel that, the person doesn't love you, but yes, they do have love. Maybe things might have gone here and there. The emotions, you might have felt very emotional, felt sad. You might have felt that, this person doesn't love me, all the love is over. But yes, the love is still standing, the cups are standing, the love is still there. 5, 13, and 4 seems to be very important. Karmic bond with this person. Two cards have come out. Someone from the past is, thinking about the future. They think that, what if, you both were together and you had a very beautiful future. Travel. 5 again is very important. Communication with someone. Maybe there is no contact, and this person is thinking about you. They always thought about you as a person who they loved very deeply. They connected very deeply.